Welcome to our podcast, where we unpack the fascinating world of mathematics. We're on a mission to make learning engaging and accessible for everyone. If you're ready to enhance your understanding of integers, we invite you to subscribe at no cost and join our community of curious minds. Today, we're diving into the fundamental concept of integers. You might be asking yourself, what exactly are integers? Well, integers are the complete set of whole numbers and their opposites. This means we're looking at positive numbers like 1, 2, and 3, negative numbers such as -1, -2, and -3, and the number 0, which plays a very special role in our mathematical adventures. Understanding integers is not only essential for tackling various math problems, but they also appear frequently in our lives, from managing finances to measuring temperatures. To visualize integers more clearly, we use something called a number line. Imagine this: a long stretch where numbers are lined up in order from the smallest on the left to the largest on the right. You start from the center with 0, and as you move to the right, you encounter the positive numbers, and to the left, the negative numbers. This visual tool transforms abstract numbers into a tangible concept. But why is 0 so critical? 0 serves as our reference point, providing balance in our number system and enabling us to compare integers easily. For example, when comparing -2 and 5 on a number line, we see immediately that -2 is less than 5 because it falls to the left of 0, while 5 lies on the right. Now let's talk about distance. How do we measure distance using this number line? Distance is always a positive value, regardless of direction. If we want to find the distance between -3 and 4, we calculate it to be 7 units, because we always measure distance as a positive number. So, if you travel from -3 to 4, you cover a total of 7 units. Now, let's explore the concept of absolute value, which refers to the distance a number is from 0. For instance, the absolute value of -7 is 7, because it is 7 units away from 0 on the number line. This makes absolute value a helpful tool in mathematics. Moving along, the number line really shines when we visualize addition and subtraction. When adding integers, you simply move to the right. For example, if you start at -2 and want to add 5, you move right 5 spaces, landing on 3. Subtraction works in the opposite direction. If you start at 3 and need to subtract 7, you move left 7 units, arriving at -4. This method helps us grasp addition and subtraction intuitively. Did you know that the number line has a fascinating history? While it seems simple today, the development of the number line took centuries, growing from basic counting to the extensive mathematical concepts we use now. As we wrap up our exploration of integers, let's connect this back to real life. The number line isn't just a tool we see in math classes, it appears throughout our daily lives. For instance, thermometers use number lines to represent temperature, rulers use them for measurement, timelines illustrate historical events, and altitude markers depict how high or low something is above sea level. So, the next time you see a number line, think about how integral it is, not just in math but in understanding the world around us. To recap, today we learned that integers encompass all whole numbers, both positive and negative, including 0. The number line provides a clear visual representation of these integers, with positive numbers extending to the right and negative numbers stretching to the left. 0 is a crucial reference point that helps us compare and measure distances effectively. We explored how absolute value indicates a number's distance from 0 and how to use the number line for addition and subtraction. Finally, we discovered practical applications of the number line in everyday life. Understanding integers is not just about solving math problems, it enriches our understanding of various real-world scenarios. Thank you for joining us today as we explored integers and the number line. We hope you enjoyed the journey and found it engaging and informative. Remember to subscribe to our podcast for more fascinating insights into mathematics and beyond. Until next time, keep learning.